I heard there was a secret chord David played and he pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah.